Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use charts in Google Docs. If you want to insert it and edit it, you need to go to Insert tab, and after that you need to go to Chart. Then you need to select chart type which you want to use. So for example, I select here bar chart. After that it will be successfully added here. If you want to edit this chart, you need to click on this chart. You need to go to icon with 3 dots, and then you need to click on Open Source. Then Google Sheets will be loaded here. We need to scroll up and you will find here data which you can easily edit. For example, I will change theme number 1 to January. I change theme number 2 to February. I type here February. Then I type here maybe March. And I type here maybe April. Then I'm going to change column names. I type here maybe points and here maybe rewards. After that I change data. I will type here maybe 100, here maybe 200, here maybe 50, and here maybe 20. And on the rewards I will type here maybe 1, here maybe 3, here maybe 2, and here maybe 6. How you see this chart has been successfully edited here? Of course we can click on this name points scored and we can edit this text, for example, simple chart. Now I click somewhere outside the chart and I need to go back to the previous document, and now we need to click on update button. After that it will be updated here on Google Docs. So in this way you can easily insert charts in Google Docs. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.